We have a whole host of demonstrators who are showcasing different tools to try and help SMEs here in Sligo work as efficiently as possible. It's all about peer-to-peer knowledge, sharing experiences, shortcuts and helping people work most efficiently.
I'm here today to show everyone how to use Pixlr for optimizing images for websites. Nearly a business would start with a website now, or used to start with a business card.
A lot of the companies we've spoken to today are startups at different stages of their growth, and they really believe that Sligo is a very vibrant place for startups and for tech.
We're here demoing cloud storage and Dropbox in particular, with some other alternatives, just to give an idea of what we use it for in relation to internal and with clients and projects, etc.
We're trying to help business owners. We take the numbers from Facebook, from Google, and we put them in easy to understand graphics and sentences for everyone to understand analytics the way they should be.
Today it's also really good for networking as well. Met some other local people involved in startups that I hadn't seen for a good few months, so it was good to catch up with those guys too.
I have a .ie website. I find it very good for my business because everybody knows it's an Irish business. We're very lucky to be able to attend these free events. It's putting Sligo on the map as well, really.
It's so important that we have all that digital stuff going on here because we can make stuff happen on the West Coast.
We're delighted to be here today at Digital Town. We're happy to be working with the IEDR. This is a great event for Sligo. It undoubtedly puts Sligo on the map as an area for digital excellence.
To have the backing of someone like IEDR, showcasing events like this, companies like this, local businesses and big players all in the one event is an incredible thing.